Hey everybody, I'm the HVAC repair guy. I have over 17 years in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor. I also have a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are looking at two popular entry-level air conditioners to help you decide which one makes sense for your home. The Armstrong Air A7AC14F and the WeatherMaker PA4SAN5. When you stand in front of these two units, the first thing you notice is how the cabinets are built. The Armstrong Air A7 AC14F has heavy-duty louvered coil panels that protect the condenser fins from hail debris and lawnmowers. The WeatherMaker PA4SAN5 does not feature louvered panels, leaving the coil fins more exposed to everyday impact damage. Both of these are single-stage basic cooling units. The Armstrong Air A7 AC14F has a 16.0 SEER rating, while the WeatherMaker PA4SAN5 sits at 14.3 SEER. In terms of sound output, they are nearly identical, with the Armstrong Air rated at 72 decibels and the WeatherMaker at 73 decibels. Both rely on standard single-stage compressors and single-speed condenser fans. Armstrong Air includes a factory compressor sound blanket to help suppress operational vibration. The WeatherMaker PA4SAN5 does not include a compressor blanket. Armstrong Air is produced in the United States by Allied Air Enterprises, a Lennox International company. WeatherMaker is manufactured in Mexico under the Carrier Global Corporation umbrella as one of their budget brand labels. Replacing an existing system with equipment in this efficiency class typically ranges from $3,500 to $6,000 installed, depending on home size, job complexity, and region. The WeatherMaker generally falls on the lower end, between $3,500 and $5,000 installed. The Armstrong Air typically lands between $4,200 and $6,000 installed. Both brands offer standard 10-year parts and 10-year compressor coverage upon proper registration. The key difference is unit replacement protection. Armstrong Air includes a 10-year unit replacement warranty if the compressor fails. The WeatherMaker PA4SAN5 does not include unit replacement coverage. My recommendation comes down to build protection and long-term security. I picked the Armstrong Air A7AC14F as the clear winner. Along with higher efficiency, the Armstrong Air gives you a protective louvered cabinet, a factory compressor, sound blanket, domestic manufacturing, and 10 full years of unit replacement coverage.